Welcome to Allie in the Valley. I'm Allison Ball Kilmer. Allie in the Valley is a lifestyle blog about healthy, delicious food, all while staying on a budget. Homegrown cooking, down-to-earth living. Okay, Allie in the Valley here. Welcome back. I'm doing a stealth mission shopping at Trader Joe's. Listen, everybody hits me online and says, what do you buy at Trader Joe's? Because I shop here all the time. So I'm going to take you shopping with me. We're going to buy all my essentials, things that I love here. I'll show you how I do it. Follow me. Let's go. Let's hope we don't get kicked out. Okay, Moon X. Moon X is $6.99. I love this wine. It's super good. Every time I have people over, I serve this wine and I'm like, oh, where'd you get that bottle? How expensive? Trader Joe's, $6.99, Moon X. So I absolutely love lemon ginger echinacea, $3.99. Instead of getting a whole bunch of sugar stuff, I get this for my kids. I love it. Tastes really good and it's healthy. The salsa, this salsa is really good. It's not too hot, $1.99. If you want a hotter version, you get the green one. Popcorn, $1.99. This is a great treat. Potato chips, like literally the best potato chips ever. These barbecue potato chips and salt and vinegar ones. Forget about it. All right, the Holy Grail. Now listen, I make a good mac and cheese, but this mac and cheese for my kids, when you don't feel like cooking it, it is unbelievable. Trust me, this mac and cheese is great. It's $2.99. So I really also love their shrimp, frozen shrimp to put in soups when I'm doing pastas. So these are jumbo shrimps, which are $9.99. I also love these pancakes. They're gluten-free, and most of you know, or some of you know, that my son's autistic, so I try to do as gluten-free as possible. All the crackers up here, they have every cracker. So when you're ready to have a party and you need great crackers, these are really, really good when you're not on a diet. They're so yummy. These are the eggs I get. Organic, free-range brown eggs, $3.99. All right, so I got busted filming, but it's okay. I got most of my stuff from Trader Joe's. I love their flowers. They're only $5.99, and it's time to go home. So I'm back from Trader Joe's after my shopping spree, and we did get busted shooting in there, but it's okay. We got most of the stuff, and I had time to go get my hair done before I came home and unpacked my groceries. I'm fast like that. Chicken breast tenders, I get at Trader Joe's. Organic, these were like $9, like $8.50. Wild caught salmon, which I absolutely love. These are about, depends on the weight, but like $13, something like that. Filet mignon steaks, these were about, for two, they're like $20, which is bulk shopping at Trader Joe's for every day during the week. I do still go to Costco. I go to Cost Plus for wine, and I do shop around, but Trader Joe's is my #1 store. And if you need any help with any of it, you can always go on my blog at www.allieinthevalley or hit me up on any of my social media, and I'll tell you what I get there. So let's get to cooking. It's a big new year. Let's get started.